𝗠₂ Building Material Industrial Company, specialized in movable partition wall manufacturing for over 10 years in China. Firm's team is always here to support your business. Quick response, good communication make us so easy to work with. With features of top hanging system only, good soundproof effect, flexible space dividing, movable partition becomes more and more popular in today's interior fit-out projects. It's widely used in hotel banquet hall, restaurant, office, school, church, and exhibition hall. As a professional manufacturer, we can shout, design, manufacture, transport, install, and maintain. The turnkey service makes us a trustworthy partner on space management projects. We take pride in the fact that the majority of our work is with repeat customers, as this is a testament to the fact that we delivered on our promise. You will be disappointed to work with Ebunge Partition.